Okay, so we're on Unit 6. This is day 2. And in the warm-up, it says to determine the inverse of f of x equals log base 1/3 of x. And remember, when we do an inverse, our first step is to switch x and y. And then our second step is to solve for y. Now, if you have trouble solving for y, you might need to put it in log form. However, if it's already in log form, you might have to go to exponential form. Okay, and so here we go. Remember that f of x is y, so we'll replace that with a y first, and then we'll go ahead and switch x and y to do our first step, and so we end up with x equals log base 1/3, and that x becomes a y, and so now step 1 is finished. In order to do step 2, in order to solve for y, we might have to put it into exponential form since it's already in log form. And so remember our two forms, and we'll write them down here, is that if we're in exponential, it's base to the exponent equals your number. And when we're in log form, your base is down in the subscript area, your number is here, and then remember logs are equal to exponents, okay? And so since we are in this form, we need to go to that form. And when we do, it should be equal to y, and we should be in y equals form, and then step 2 will be done. All right, so since we're in log form, first thing we have to do is locate our base, which is our subscript, which is 1/3. Okay, and I'm going to put that in parentheses because I want that whole 1/3 to be raised to the exponent, which would be x. Okay, and then equal to our number, which in log form is right here, which is our y. All right, and by putting it into exponential form, it's now in y equals form, and step 2 is done. All right, and that's the inverse of a logarithmic function is an exponential function. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys on day 2 notes.